Wan AIChef Ultra. Intelligence wonders in health. 15.6-inch entertainment screen, 35-liter large capacity, 7-inch control screen, minimalist color options, 0.1 meters squared to hold global flavors.
Powered by NVIDIA for ultra-performance computing.
Heyman infrared sensors detect every temperature change. A 12-megapixel camera identifies ingredients instantly. A large cooking model evolves with new recipes endlessly. With 40 super-sensitive temperature control, AI knows the perfect timing better than you. Through contactless health monitoring and AI health analysis, combined with personal health reports, it creates a personalized health profile just for you. AI Butler customizes your meals, generating nutritious recipes. Food is carefully selected and freshly prepared, delivered in one click. Your health record is updated daily. Cook with wan AIChef in the AI age. Wan AIChef.